Hi, I'm Jimmie Dale, CEO of Baker Brothers Plumbing and Air. At Baker Brothers Plumbing and Air, we have some of the best garbage disposals that are out there. A lot of people don't know and understand that there's a difference between a regular disposer and a high-end disposer. The high-end disposer actually has several grinding chambers, grinding the material up even smaller. So if you keep stopping up or putting eggshells down, guess what? There's a disposer that can get that done for you. They have auto reverse, they can grind up actual chicken bones. Call Baker Brothers Plumbing and Air and we'll show you the different disposers that you could put in your home. With Baker Brothers, we also have some of the best warranties in the industry. We feel like all companies make mistakes, but how we correct those mistakes defines a good company from a great company. We have a 24 to 48 hour response time on all callbacks or warranty issues. We also have a national standard pricing guide. You approve all pricing before we ever start the work. There's no guesswork, you know exactly how much you're going to pay. To schedule your service call today, call Baker Brothers Plumbing and Air at 214-324-8811. Or you can visit us online at bakerbrothers.plumbing.com, where great quality meets great service.